I don't got no last name. It's engraved with a candlestick, so that's what the kids candle. Beats spick or pepper gut. Yeah, my mom's from Mexico. The town I grew up in is just over the border, and the folks there are mostly white. Stepfather, Thomas. I grew up in a town called Hope. Well, there it is. Hope. A haven for outlaws, assholes, and hypocrites. Jones' cabin. Good place to practice some shooting.
What the heck are you doing? This is private property.
Okay, easy.
Hey, you wouldn't shoot old Jones, would you? I got nothing against you. We don't need no trouble now.
I'm here to see the one person on earth who ever gave a damn about me. My ma. Other than my step in particular, I hope to avoid. Tim Powell, our sheriff, who always thought I was up to no good, even when I wasn't. Clyde Forrester, owner of the Grand Saloon and meanest peckerhead you ever seen. Then there's the Bay, the most self-righteous son of a Bible.
My, Billy Candle. Been a long time, boy.
Sheriff.
I don't think Thomas will be too pleased to see you. You come back to set things right with him?
I'm just here to see my ma.
Well, before you go out there, I think you better give me your gun. Hand it over.
But Sheriff...
Drop it, boy. Fine. Welcome back. Just don't do anything stupid, son.
I'm not your son.
Thank God for that, boy. Thank God for that.
Just got to town and the sheriff's already on my ass. Son of a bitch. Damn, I gotta get myself a gun. Look at those hombres. They look like trouble.
Billy Candle, is that you? Boy, you're growing like a weed. Stand still. Let me take a measure. Just in case.
You wanna see me plant it already?
Well now, looks like you're as tall as Reverend Ray.
Well, Billy Candle, ain't you a sight for sore eyes?
Susie. She keeps a gun in her drawers.
I'm pissed at you, Billy. Here in town and you don't come to see your old friend Susie?
Hey! I just got in! I was planning on coming by.
Yeah, right. Billy's planning things now. Get your skinny butt up here before I change my mind.
Can't you see there's no way through? Come back later!